Welcome back. Well, if you're thinking about turning back the clock with injections like Botox, you may be thinking it's no big deal.
Yeah, what could go wrong? Why not just go with the first thing you find on the internet?
What many people don't realize, though, is there are still real risks with even simple procedures. We sat down with a local plastic surgeon to help you learn the right questions to ask to avoid a botched job. Take a look.
So you want to ease your wrinkles with a little Botox or filler? Sounds easy, but no one plans on ending up with swelling or scarring like this. Dr. Paul Stanislaw runs the Stanislaw Plastic Surgery Center in Avon and urges patients to find out the facts first.
They have this perception that it's very low risk, low downtime, it's very simple, it's very easy, that I can just shop it. I go wherever it's the least expensive because it's the same all over. And it really isn't the truth.
To avoid a botched job, Dr. Stanislaw says first choose a board-certified doctor who actually specializes in what you're having done.
One thing that we should be asking is who's doing the injections?
There are always associated risks with them, and some of these risks can be very severe. So you really want to find out who's doing the injection. Are they board certified, like I'm a facial plastic surgeon? Are they a board certified dermatologist? Are they a board certified general plastic surgeon? So you really want to stick with that core group of people, because those people during their residency, the training after medical school, part of their training, part of their residency is these injections.
The law requires a doctor on site to do injections, but the question is, what kind of doctor are they? Some may only have done a weekend or online course in injections.
They might be an MD in something unrelated to your face.
Correct.
Beware if they say they're board certified in aesthetic medicine.
There is no board certified in aesthetic medicine. It's not, there's no true board for that. So those board certified in aesthetic medicine, it's just sort of a diploma that you can sort of purchase.
Oh, so someone says I'm board certified in aesthetic medicine, you should beware.
Correct. Correct.
There's no such thing.
No such thing.
The way the injection is done matters.
This is what we call a cannula, and this is just a plain old needle. So when we do injections with fillers, the fillers come with a needle.
With the very sharp angled needle, you are at a greater risk for bruising, and even worse.
If that needle goes into a blood vessel and the person who's doing the injection just leaves it in the blood vessel, they don't move it, they just sit there and push, 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 that product can flow down the blood vessel and it can go down and it can sort of kill everything downstream of that.
If that happens,
so if they inject it into the artery and it goes and the product flows downstream and it blocks the blood vessels here, it can kill all the skin of the nose. There are case reports of people having injections anywhere in the face and going blind, where it blocks the artery to the eye. Now, these are very, very, very rare, but there are case reports of that happening.
Dr. Stanislaw also says beware of deep discounts.
What about getting a deal? A lot of times you see discounts on these products like Botox.
A lot of places get their products from other countries. So other countries, all the time, we get solicitations, buy your filler, buy your Botox from Canada or from Mexico and stuff like that at a much discounted rate. You never really know where that's coming from, where that originated from.
Dr. Stanislaw warns doing procedures outside of the U.S. can come with greater risk.
Some people are tempted by prices to go on those vacations and get something done overseas. Is that safe?
We have a lot of patients who will go to foreign countries and they'll get silicone injected into their lips, right? And what will happen is they'll have lumps and bumps or they'll have irregularities, and they'll come to me and say, well, I want to get that gone. Right? They want to fix this. The problem is that there's no way to dissolve the silicone. There's no way to really remove it short of cutting it out. You get what you pay for.
Right.
So if it's this crazy discount plastic surgery vacation and it just doesn't sound right, it probably isn't. So you have to really be very wary about that. And again, in the United States, we've got a lot of strict rules and laws about what we can do, what we can't do.
Bottom line, before you opt for one of these,
you really have to think long and hard about who's doing the injection.
Dr. Paul Stanislaw is double board certified. He's a really great guy. The Stanislaw Plastic Surgery Center is located at 35 Nod Road in Avon, and he actually offers free seminars on plastic surgery and injections so you can learn the right way. To find more, go to StanislawMD.com.